What's up, guys? Just showing you guys the steps on how I did this. Went to Robinhood. This is a put debit spread on QQQ for today, July the 11th or 12th. I'm sorry, Tuesday. So you can see I went to I was looking at my account, checking out the situation, debit spreads that were open. See that. Clicked on just to double check that debit spread, which was on SPY. This one is actually coming out. It's not doing so good right now because data, and I didn't purchase that one far enough out, and it's really holding on to the position at SPY. It's SQQ. So you can see right there, it's at negative 264. But I still have 4 days to see what's going to happen. So that's going on with that. And you can see what it did. It started just falling. SPY SQQQ started going up. It's SQQ. You can see it. I purchased it really too high, but that's okay. So what I'm doing is I'm going to QQQ and checking out the weekly. There it is. And then I check out the monthly to see where the best place to get in at. Here you are at want to trade QQQ options. Okay, and then I'm going to change the expiration date to 45 days out. So you can see I clicked at August 26th, and then check price history for 1 month out. Take a look at it a couple times, just making sure I'm in the right spot. Okay, I saw I decided that I'm going to go ahead and sell a put. So let's go down here. Here's a put. So I'm just checking how much the price I want to buy the put. That price was a little too high for me, so I came on down here and took a look and buy. So put. So as you can see, I bought a put at the 280 strike price. I sold a put at the 280 strike price, and that gave me $934. So then I went ahead and bought a put. Checked again and saw that price wasn't the price I wanted. So I went ahead and see. I bought one. I sold one at 282.5 for 10, and then I went ahead and bought a put at 287.5 at 12, which put me in at $198. I was looking at the price. I thought $198 was too high. So when you're dealing with SPY and QQQ, the lower the price you get, the better. So I was trying to get a lower price, so I put it in at 182. That doesn't mean you're gonna get filled. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, but I feel better getting a lower price all the time when you're dealing with the volatility of QQQ and SPY. So I put that order in at 182. I submitted. Okay. So now it's done. You see the estimated cost is 182. Quantity, one order, and then we're good to go. So that's that, guys. So just wanted to let you know that's my QQQ play for today. We'll see how it plays. I'll probably put a few more orders in, because when you don't get filled right away, a lot of orders do not get filled with my strategy. But my strategy is to put in 4 orders a day, and on a $2,000 account, one of them going to get filled eventually. So sometimes I get probably about on average 4 orders filled a week, 5 orders filled a week. Some people will argue that's not good, but for me, the higher probability for me to succeed, because I'm going out 45 days to August 26th, and I'm buying below market value. So you can see. So that's the key. The potential for profit is probably I could basically at least make half of that, and I'm out. Make $100 off that $200 or $150 off that $200. I'm gone. I'm not trying to stay there to get all the money or anything like that. So I wish you guys all the best of luck. I hope this helps. Just practice making these videos and trying to figure out what system works the best. So, wish me all the best luck. And